416. It's based off of a 50 BMG case, neck down to a 416.
Cool.
And the owner of the rifle there, he knows a lot more about this cartridge than I do, so I'm going to let him explain more than that.
Oh. Perry, refill.
Which rocket can I need for? Probably have the Navy SEAL shoot.
Something tells me this is going to be loud.
Yeah, you'll feel it in your chest.
I think it'll be as loud as the tanks.
Really?
It's going to be really loud. Cover your ears.
I think I can see it. Okay.
Targets out there. Probably going to feel the muzzle break from back here. It's going to blow it over here, probably. Somebody may get hit. It's off.
Okay, folks, my name is Bill Miller, and I have known this fine piece of equipment here. This is a Barrett 416. It was built by Ronnie Barrett, specifically for the U.S. Army to shoot in Afghanistan. The gun shoots accurately to 2,500 meters. It's a mile and a half. It's not an anti-personnel gun, it's an anti-vehicle gun, meaning that the bullet is a 395 grain solid brass projectile turned on a CNC lathe, and it's a neck down 50 cal cartridge running about 204 grains of powder. Okay? The bullet leaves the rifle at 3,300 feet per second and 9,000 pounds of pressure at the muzzle. Okay? This gun will stop, it's made to stop a truck in a convoy by shooting the motor in the truck at, like I say, up to 2,500 yards, and blowing the motor up that stops the truck. Then the caravan is of course stopped on those high mountain roads, and then they can't go any farther. All right? From there you can guess the rest. The longest shot on record is 2,700 meters. It was done by a Canadian with a 50 caliber instead of a 416. Accuracy International rifle about a year or two ago in Afghanistan. He was on the top of a mountain with a spotter, and there was a machine gun nest on the far mountain, and our troops were going down through the valley, and these machine gunners were shooting at our guys, and they were pinned down. So this this Canadian sniper got up on the hill at 1.5 miles away. That's a long ways. Took him 3 shots to get the guy to range in on the guy. 2 shots to range in on the machine gun itself. Those guys, you can't hear anything that far away. The sound doesn't travel that far. So all they could do is see something hit the ground beside them, so they stood up because they couldn't figure out who was shooting at them because they couldn't see anybody. Okay? When they stood up, the guy took his 3rd shot and took out the machine gunner. Then he took another shot and took out his partner. And then he took another shot and took the gun out. And then the troops could go on. Okay? That's basically what can be done with a weapon like this. Okay? This gun is rather loud. It has a muzzle brake on the front of it. The shooter kind of sits in a cocoon. It's a single shot rifle, bolt action rifle, just like anything else. It weighs about 32, 33 pounds. It has a Leopold 8.5 to 25 Mark IV scope with a TMR reticle. It has a computer made by Barrett Industries on the top. What I do is I dial in the distance closest to where I want to shoot, and that puts me within 3 feet of the target, all the way out to probably 1,500, 1,700 yards, just by dialing it in. Okay? Very, very accurate gun. Okay? As far as how hard does it kick, it doesn't. Less than a shotgun, much less than a shotgun, because of this muzzle brake. The blast will come out this way. Those of you will feel it. It won't kill you, but it is loud, and if you stand too close, it'll thump your heart.
Okay, Dylan.
So with that said, I'm going to try and find a rock up there and blow it up for you. I'm going to go for the rock I was shooting at. This gun is legal in California because it's not a 50 caliber. You can still buy it today in any gun store if you have enough money. There's about $10,000 in it, okay, with all the stuff.
We're taking up a collection at a Christmas present.
Okay, and Michael wants to buy it. All right.
Where's the rock? The what? He's going to be shooting
Takes
right
me
up
longer
the
to find the target and talk about
Oh,
it.
he could shoot like a mile and a half
He's
long.
gonna shoot the targets.
Yeah. Maybe he'll shoot.
That'd
You see the cow blow up.
I know. That'd be awesome if he actually shot the cow.
That would be pretty awesome.
Yeah.
He says you'll be able to feel it when it comes back this way. Just the power from it. It kicks less than a shotgun, he said. That cow's gonna lay down after you see him.
One of these days I'm going to put a red dot on here so I can find the target, and then I can go.
Shoot the cow, 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 shoot the cow. Shoot the cow. You mean it.
His arms getting tired holding up the camera. Probably after the first practice shot.
Watch it.
Okay, you see those 3 sets of rocks that are going up there?
Yeah.
The third one up, not at the top of the hill, but the first one down, that's the one I'm going to shoot at.
Okay. I say shoot the cow wherever it wants.
Very for work.
Steal. Here it goes. It's gonna be loud.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa! And the pressure knocked down the bottles.
So that's why he put those
Did
there.
I hit it?
Yeah.
You hit it. Nice shot, Bill.
Yeah.
It's a
Well, it was on oh no.
Don't shut it down.
Yeah, close the video out.
Dude, watch the bottles when he fires.
We were hoping he was gonna blow.
Dude, watch the bottles when he fires, okay?
Scope's on 25 power. Okay, same target, same spot. Lynch. That's American. 400 yards?
Shoot the cow now!